In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 and I'll show you how to block a number. So we'll start off by opening up the dialer app, and I'll make a random number so I can block it. So now that I have it, I can hold on it and I'll get the option to block contact. So I'm just gonna tap on that. And I'll also have the option to customize the rules for the blocked contacts. So as you can see, you can block all incoming calls. So let's check that off. And now the other ones become inaccessible, but you can also block unknown and hide numbers, and block strangers. So I guess this will block only unknown numbers. But I guess this can work. And you can also do the same thing for messages. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.